Hello everyone! In this video, I would like to teach you how to get started with Mendeley. So, same as other software, we need to create an account in order to use it. But before we get into that, I want to tell you something that when you have one Mendeley account, you can use it for any products from Mendeley, such as Mendeley Reference Manager, Mendeley Desktop, or Science Direct. So to create an account, you should first go into their website on www.mendeley.com, and then on the page you click on create a free account and then enter your email to continue. There are two options. You can use your personal email or an email that you got from your institution. If you want to use an email from your institution, you can click sign in via your institution. But if you want to use the personal email, you can write your email on here. And after that, I click continue and then write given name and your family name. So for example, if your name is John Kaczynski, your given name is John and your family name should be Kaczynski. And then for password, you have to choose a unique password with minimum 8 characters, include one number, a mix of lowercase and uppercase letters, and one symbol. And it's so recommended to have a strong password. And then here, they ask whether you want to keep the account in his device. So because I don't want it, so I'm gonna unchecklist this and then click register. Now that if you select this, it means that congrats, you already create an account for your Mendeley. It's ready to use, but I recommend you to check on your email if you got an email from Mendeley that asking you to activate your account. But if it's not, you can use that for your Mendeley Desktop or your Mendeley Reference Manager and start working on that. So that's it. I hope this is helpful and thank you.